sing the song that makes us so happy.
Yeah.
We could
Dance!
Hello and welcome back to Skyline Gang Fan ATM how-to video. In this video today we're going to show you guys how to make a deposit at Nationwide. Now, old machines and new machines are basically everywhere at Nationwide branches, so go ahead and make sure you find the ATM that's basically not based on an envelope and based on the just without an envelope, which there is a lot inside, obviously, but obviously there are some outside as well, and we have one in Bognor Regis. So we are at the Bognor Regis branch. We're going to show you guys how to do it in action. So we're going to go to the cash pay right now, and we're going to show you guys in action. So here we are at Nationwide in Bognor Regis, and we're going to show you how to make a deposit there. So I'm going to go to the cash point, and we're going to show you the machine here and what card you have to use. This is the Nationwide cash machine, as you can see here. Before you do anything, we need to make sure, but it is the Nationwide card. This one here, this is the right one. You need to make sure it's a Nationwide card. If you don't have a Nationwide card, you can't make deposits at a Nationwide branch. So basically, we've got cash here to deposit, and we're going to show you how to do it. So basically, insert your Nationwide card in right now. Then you get an option where it says deposits or all transaction. Now, if you hit all transaction, you have to put in the PIN. But today we're not going to tap on that. Today we're going to hit deposit, and then we don't have to put in a PIN. So we're going to press deposit. And then you've got an option where it says single check deposit or cash deposit. So I'm not doing the check deposit today. We're going to do cash deposit. And then what I'm going to do is get me cash out. Okay, I'm going to make sure I've got all of it out. So this is how you basically enter the money in there. Right, so there you go. So this is how you put the money in. Right. Steps up. Steps in. Just like that. Bam. There we go, and it tells you how much you put in there. So £110 accepted. And if it's a different machine here from the NCR ones, you basically put the cash in that side and check goes this side, but it's obviously inside the branch phone. So 110 quid, that's correct. We're going to tap confirm. Take your receipt. And that's basically pretty much it. And then, so say your deposit is being accepted, and then after that it should say, would you like another transaction? We don't, we're done. So we're going to press no, it should return the card. That's it. Nice and straightforward. So recapping again, you put your card in, you basically go hit deposit, and you don't have to put it in, then cash deposit, then you basically put your cash in here. If it's this side, you place it like that, and if it's and if the that side, and if it's horizontal, you do it like that, and then that part if you're doing the if you're putting the money in. But at this case it's at this side here rather than that. And if we had a slot for the check, it would be in this side here for the old ones, but this is the latest, one of the latest NCR machines. That's one that will do the deposit in and deposit out there. So yeah, nice and straightforward. So to recap how you basically do it here, you basically put your card in, your Nationwide card, and then choose deposit, if because you don't have to put in a PIN, and then you choose cash deposit, and then you basically, if it's a new machine, it's basically not the separate one, not the separate cash for the cash slot and then a cheque slot. It's basically both cash and cheque slot. But if it's the separate one, basically the cash will be at the bottom, then the cheque slot will be on the top. And then confirm the amount, and if it's a cheque, make sure that the amount is correct. If not, you have to change the amount, and then you basically enter the amount that's based on the cheque that you're depositing. But if it's cash, you obviously just confirm the amount, then tap confirm, take your receipt. Then if it's a cheque deposit, then it says, have you got another cheque to deposit? Press yes if you do, then or press no if you don't. And then otherwise, once it said the deposit has been accepted, you just press no, and then you're good to go. Your card will be returned if you press no, if you don't want to make another transaction. But if you're, obviously you are making an, like, if you want to check your balance and stuff before you make a cash deposit, you do need to press all transaction. Then you put your PIN in, and then you choose whatever option you want to choose, like balance, mini statement, or something like that. And then you do your depositing. Even though you could just press deposit and then you don't have to put in a PIN. But if you want to do balance check and that, you do have to put in a PIN. But either way, it still works, no problem at all. And then you just do your deposit and then you're good to go. It's another way you can do that one, but yeah, that's the way we're doing it for the purpose of the video. I always do deposit, and then I don't have to put in a PIN for that one, because I don't need to make another transaction on that one. It's just deposits for that. Then I don't have to put in a PIN. But for now, that solves. I hope that really finds it useful for you. If it did, please like, comment, subscribe. Turn the notification on so you never miss out what's new. Thanks for watching. My name is Jake. This is Skyline Gang Fan, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.